I want to introduce you to Smart Automatic Transfer Switch. I will show you how this smart device eliminates a lot of the pains we currently experience using the manual changeover system. How do you change over your electricity supply? If I may guess, you currently use the manual transfer switch. Wait till the end of this video as I would be introducing you to the new smart way to automatically transfer load. You would no more need that siren to alert you to go changeover. You would also not need those indicator light. I personally experience a lot of pains managing my electricity supply, and I am very certain a lot would agree with me. 1. Stress. It could be stressful having to go to my backyard to change over my supply. Also, having to go throw a switch could really be a big deal. 2. Interruption of supply to my home during changeover from alternative supply domains, PHCN, could really be annoying, especially when I have visitor or in the middle of most interesting TV program. 3. Risk of electrocution. Having to always go in contact with my manual changeover system could be very risky, especially when I know things could go wrong. 4. Distraction from all form of alert we implemented to inform of power status. Having to unconsciously monitor my alarm and/or indicator could be very distracting, and this had a great impact on efficiency on other things I needed to achieve. 5. Inability to track my fuel consumption. My utility supply is quite unreliable, hence it has been difficult to even track how much of generator supply I have used, which could aid my decision on refueling. 6. Unable to track time to service my generator. I only service my gen when it starts to malfunction. This is a very poor strategy which could limit the lifespan of my generator. 7. Disruption from activity flow in other to change over, sometime it could be my most precious sleep. 8. Waste fuel or resources because of the inefficient way I was using to switch my power source. Having to keep my generator running either because I am not aware of power restored or I don't want to disrupt my current activity will invariably cause me to keep burning and wasting fuel. 9. Having a system that my wife, young kids and pets cannot use was also a big concern for me. Most time the entire household must wait for the hero, dad, to come around before things can be done, just because the system was complex, inconvenient, risky and stressful. I am sure you would agree with me on at least any two flavor of the pains I had experienced. Now let me introduce you to the smart electricity management system that has cleared all my pains. It is Xmart ATS from Xmartcle Technologies. The smart transfer switch is an electrical switch that switches a load between two sources. It perfectly replaces your manual transfer switches where you must do the transfer by throwing a switch. You can install this smart device where a backup generator is located so that the generator may provide temporary electrical power if the utility source fails. This device would replace your existing manual changeover system. It is easy to install. Provides smart way to switch your electricity load between two sources automatically, PHCN and generator, thereby eliminating the stress I used to experience. Fast power transfer, no interruption when switching from gen to PHCN. You can connect to the system for control, monitor and insights from anywhere in the world through your mobile phone. You can stop generator and schedule generator stop interval from anywhere in the world using your mobile phone. The ability to schedule your generator to stop after specific number of hours was really useful when preparing to go to bed, and the generator would turn off after you are fast asleep. Monitor your daily, weekly, monthly energy usage on all your electricity source. Analyze fuel usage and can help manage refueling. It automatically does the changeover for you. It stops the generator supply for you when mains utility supply is restored. This solution is awesome, and I would like you to own it too. Now my wife, young kids and even pets can enjoy electricity supply switching in the most efficient, convenient and simple way. Also, I and my entire household can connect to the system even while away from home. I love this solution. It is so awesome. It has simplified my world, and now I can use my time on more profitable activities. I am sure you would like to own this. In fact, I am certain that your family would have loved that you have this installed since yesterday. Kindly subscribe to this channel and click the notification button so as to inform you on our new solutions. Check the description for email, address and phone to contact us. We would be glad to have you on board to enjoy our solutions. Xmartcle is a technological company with focus on simplifying the way we live our life by providing technological solutions that make us achieve goals in the most convenient and most efficient way. You can contact us to discuss any custom solution you want to enhance your home, office and business. Thank you.